Alright guys, so we're back at the store. I'm trying to get some last minute things. We had to go to a international store. International store way up north called Saraga. Have all kind of foods up there. You've probably seen the video I posted before. But now we're at another store. We're trying to get a few things for the food that they're cooking. I'm extremely tired. I had to sleep. I need some sleep. I need like 2 hours of sleep. I didn't get any sleep last night. The kids were jumping on the bed all until like 11, 12 o'clock at night. I definitely didn't get any sleep. What are we getting now? Some ice cream? Purple yam ice cream. Huh. What's this? Such a plan, because they wanna make halo halo. Yeah, that's fine. Get that too. Okay. It's buy one get one, equal or lesser value. Or a large envelope. Okay.
Claw machine. I found it. I found a claw machine.
Okay. Put that right there. That. How much is it? 2 for $6? Oh, that's pomegranate. I don't know. Oh, $1.49 each. How many are you trying to get? Yeah. Yeah, just get those.
Or just one?
Just get 2. Yeah. Okay. See, the line is not that long, just over to there. Okay, let's go back and get the ice cream.
Daddy.
Let's go back and get the ice cream. Okay. We're going to get in line. We're going to get in line on the other end. We're going to...
We did do it. We did do the claw machine.
The claw machine.
Yes. We did do it.
Okay. Mango. Okay.
Massage. Usap na po yan yung pagkain. Ha? Lagi.
Hold up.
What, babe?
My eyes.
It's burning? Okay, you have to...
Iron.
we have to close this one now. To hold it with me.
Okay. Pork belly with
Lemongrass, onion, garlic.
lemongrass, onion, garlic,
salt, pepper.
salt and pepper.
Okay.
And we're going to tie it up.
Light tune. Okay, you go. Let's.
What is this called, babe? Lechon what?
belly.
Lechon belly. What is it called when you do it like this?
Huh?
What is it called? Is there a name for it?
No, lechon belly.
Just lechon belly?
Yes.
Lagyan mo pa ng soy sauce.
If we have time,
3 hours to
8,
cook?
9, 10, 11.
Okay.
You think we be
Yeah.
able to cook, no?
Yeah, we get up in the morning and put it in the oven. Set an alarm and get up and put it in the oven. That one's done. That's different. Nice. She has that one there.
Lagyan ko na. Ng